Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do some steam fish. Okay, so steam fish and bammy. We have a bammy right here, coconut milk. Okay, we have an Irish carrot, pumpkin, sweet pepper scallion. Alright, I need to get the thyme, I need to get the pimento. So we have our fish seasoned butter, some salt. So catch you on the other side when we scale up the fish and cut up the vegetables. Stay tuned for the cooking process. If it's your first time here, we ask that you subscribe to the channel, and as you watch the video, please press like and share the video with a friend. Thank you for supporting Old Time Cooking TV. Enjoy this video. See you when we're cutting up and preparing for the cooking process. Catch you on the other side. Alright, here we go. Welcome back everyone. So we have the fish well cleaned, okay, washed properly, and our vegetables are prepared, cut. If you notice, we have the smaller size pumpkin here, and this is because I want these to, you know, mash out so we can get the color and the thickness. And we have some other cut Irish here, sliced carrot, and some thicker pumpkin because we want these to eat in the meal. So we have thicker carrot, thicker Irish, and pumpkin. So we want these to eat in the meal, but we want these you know, to kind of mash to give it body. So we have our seasonings, and over there we have our powder seasonings and butter, salt. So catch me when we going on the stove to put all in. Stay tuned. Please watch the video to the end. Like, share, and comment. If you have not yet subscribed, we ask that you subscribe to the channel. Also, see you on the stove. Alright, welcome everyone. I believe our oil is hot now, so we are going in with our seasonings. Okay, make sure the flame is low. So you turn down that you don't want your seasonings to burn. Okay, in with our pepper, pimento seed, scallion, and all of that. I like to cook with a lot of seasoning, so I'm gonna stir these around, get out the flavors. Look how beautiful that is already. Alright, very good. And smells very great also. Okay, then now we're gonna go in with our mashed pumpkins, because we want to make sure that those, you know, can mash out easily before we put in the bigger chunks of vegetables. All right, so we're gonna pour some water in this now and allow those finer pumpkins to mash out. Alright, so make sure your flame is at medium to low. We continue to stir this. Alright, so we're gonna go in with some water now. Okay. Alright. After we get in with the water, we're gonna go in with our vegetables because we want these to cook. And as you can see, it's a whole lot of vegetable. So this in and of itself is a complete meal already. Alright, so we're gonna cover this and allow this to, the bigger pumpkins to cook, and the carrots. So we're gonna give this about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so see you when we reach to that point. Right, welcome back after 7 minutes on the fire, smelling very good. So let's start, the gravy start to get the yellow color. That's what you want, because you want your pumpkin to mash out and give it that yellow flavor, people. Alright, so to this now we are gonna go in with some noodle. Alright, I don't want the noodle, the flour thing in the noodle to go in it, so I normally strain it, and this is gonna give it some more color. So this is what I do, because I want that rich color to be in it. Okay, don't want none of the noodle thing. A lot of people just show, different folks different strokes, they show their noodle in it. I don't want any noodle, I just want the. Alright, so the color coming in now, you want that yellow color to be in it. Alright, when you're showing the coconut juice, it's gonna take away from the color. That is why you use a lot of pumpkin. Okay, man, the aroma in the kitchen smells so good. If you are nearby, you're watching this video, oh my, I forgot that it's not live. You could just come over and get some of this. So let us put in the seasoning now. So we're gonna go in with some all-purpose. Alright, don't want a lot. Fish season Maggi, don't want a lot. Alright, a little black pepper, not a lot. Little jerk seasoning. Okay, and because we put in the cock soup, it is salty, so you want to watch and taste for salt before you add the literal salt to it. Alright, look at those beautiful colors. Alright, after this we're gonna go in now with our coconut juice. Alright, to get some more liquid, because we're gonna rest the fish in that. Alright, low flames, smelling great, take your time. All of these foods, we're gonna use Bammy, but all of these foods can, you know, eat with the steamed fish when you're through. Okay people, so we're going in with our coconut juice now. Main ingredients, you have to have your coconut juice. Alright, very good. So the colors coming together. So look, it, you have a lot of pumpkin in it, so you get that rich yellow color. We don't want a lot of the coconut juice. Okay, alright, so looking lovely, smelling great, and I know it's gonna taste very good. Okay, low flames. Alright, so we have the rest of stripped carrots and stuff. Gonna put those in. Lots of vegetable people. Alright, so we're gonna put a little piece of butter in it now. Don't need a lot because you wanna watch your cholesterol and stuff. So we put a little piece of butter in it. Just a little piece, about like this. You don't have to go beyond that. Or a little piece more. Alright, there we go. Looking so lovely. Well, if you are watching this video if you read thus far, we ask you to press like on the video, leave a comment, and share this meal idea with someone. Okay, looking rich and lovely. If you think enough liquid is not in your pot, you can go ahead and add some more liquid to it. Okay, because we're gonna put in the fish now, and you want that fish to have enough liquid. Okay, so look at that, lovely. Alright, then you're gonna spoon your vegetables and your seasonings on top of the fish, so that the fish can, you know, have enough liquid to cook them. Alright, look how beautiful that is. So we're gonna give this about 15 more minutes, and after that our steamed fish will be ready. Okay, so stay tuned. After about 7 minutes or so, we're gonna add the Bammy to it. This is looking so beautiful, so lovely. Okay, all right, so we're gonna add our Bammy to it in another 8 minutes thereabout. Okay, looking so beautiful, smelling so great. Okay people, welcome back. So we turn the fish off camera, so we flip it over so that both sides can, you know, cook evenly. All right, looking lovely so far, smelling so great. All right, the type of butter we use kind of leaves some little, you know, white residue thing in there. So we're gonna go in now with, you see how it look yellow and beautiful? It's because of the pumpkin we use. Alright, so we're going in now with our Bammy. So we cut our Bammies in quarters. Okay, So we're going in with our bammies now. Alright, you want to make sure that your fish have in a lot of liquid. Okay. Alright, very good. So that's 7 minutes we had it there. Now we're putting the bammy. We're gonna give it a few more minutes, and we're gonna flip the bammy and then give it another few more minutes, and then you see the shearing process. Alright, steam fish and bammy at its best. Okay, welcome back guys. Look at that, bubbly. Beautiful. Okay, make sure your flame is low, don't want to burn it up. We're already going and turn the bammies already, put in some of the liquid over it again. Look at that rich yellow color. Okay, you can only get this type of steam fish at Elsha or Little Ochi. Okay, or what you call it, you know, most of them big time seafood place, but I am giving you this right here on camera. Professional chef. Okay, we don't guess, we don't spell. Look at that, beautiful vegetables, gravy thick. You know, this gravy can drink like soup, and that is if you don't put enough or too much butter in it. Alright, so we're just gonna allow this to simmer for another few minutes, and after that we will be sharing this lovely lunch meal. See a piece of the carrot jump out already, ready to go into the plate. Okay, so see you on the other side. Okay people, look at this beautiful dish. Look at that ground fish, steam fish, bammy. Look at those vegetables, smelling so good, tasting so great. Look at that, beautiful. Got all those vegetables. Kindly press like on this video, press subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share it with somebody. Good lunch idea, good dinner idea. Somebody having a birthday, you can do this meal for them. Very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by Whole Time Cooking TV channel. Kindly subscribe if you have not yet done so. Have yourself a blessed afternoon.